Whoa, this is okay. We rolling? Is it rolling? Testing one, two, three. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm rolling. So, we're gonna show you how to speed up your computer. So first, just a disclaimer. This will work on a real computer. However, I am running this on a virtual machine because my real computer is using Ubuntu. Plus, I want to be able to reboot the actual machine, I mean the virtual machine, and still be recording. So let's start by showing you how to. First, we're gonna actually go into msconfig and start disabling stuff like whatever. So you click start run msconfig, or you hit Windows key R and then hit msconfig. As you can see, the computer's way slower than it should be. But actually the virtual machine, not the computer. My actual computer is better. So, yeah. How long does this even take? See, this computer needs to be drastically sped up. I'm on a SATA drive, 1 terabyte allocated, even like all conjoined instead of multiple disk files, and this is still slow as all hell. I don't even know how that's possible. Yeah, I was downloading some firmwares. Yeah, I don't know why. Someone's been messing with the virtual machine when I was like last time, but I didn't notice it, so that's why this is here. But I see why he was trying to jailbreak. I love jailbreaking too. So, huh. Okay. Let's start with the Windows key R. Okay. So first I'm going to show you WinVer. This is actually the Windows version. I'm on Windows 7 Ultimate. Oh, there's the msconfig. Finally. So basically we're gonna go. I'd recommend leaving this boot tab. Okay, that's fine. Okay, click. I'd recommend this will basically remove the Windows 7 logo, which makes it load up faster. But if your computer freezes, you won't be able to tell. I'd recommend that. Okay. Now you're gonna see services. Okay, don't uncheck anything. Uncheck anything you can relate to, but not everything. Because if you uncheck everything, you could totally mess up stuff. For example, like Apple mobile device, you can tell what that is. You can't uncheck anything by Microsoft unless you know what that is. Because if you don't know what that is, you're messing things up. Bonjour service, yeah. Computer browser. Okay, let's see what we got here. Disk defragmenter. Oh, well, if it stopped, we don't need that. DCHP client, DNS clients. Okay, I know what those are, but I'm not gonna check that. For instance, Google Update. That's probably something to do with Chrome. Okay, iPod service. Boom. If you have problem, just try going back into this and then checking it. So, um, Splash Top software updater. That's some remote control. Steam client. This is not a virus, by the way. TeamViewer 9. Okay. Wait, that might be the daemon. No. Okay. No, that's my drivers, VMware tools. By the way, if it says something like driver, you don't want to uncheck that. Services. Okay, we have. I'm gonna uncheck iTunes and QuickTime from startup. Actually, Tools. About Windows. Change UAC settings. Action Center. Okay, you don't want to mess with that. Apply. Is it doing anything? Okay, this might not be the best idea to start with, but yeah, because even though we're speeding things up, we're not gonna be able to get into that yet. So until like this. So okay, so now that we've applied it, exit without restart. Okay, so now we're gonna go into Control Panel. Click Personalization. Is it personalization or something? Wait a minute. Search up system. What was it again? Okay, let's see. Show which operating system. Okay, performance. That was it. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Okay, so first, you don't want to click one of these right off the bat because it might be drastic change. For instance, let me show you what it is. I want to choose for best for my computer. Let's try going to adjust for best performance and let me show you what that is. Apply. Wait for it. Boom. So let's just adjust for best. Let's go back to adjust for best appearance, and now let's check the ones I need. Okay. Let's see. It will automatically click this when you're done. Okay. Let's see. Um. Let's see. That will just make Let's see what. Animate controls and elements inside Windows. You can uncheck that. Anything that has to do with animate or animation, just uncheck, because you don't need that. Animate windows or minimize or maximizing, uncheck. Animate, uncheck. Arrow peak, it's this. We need that. Enable desktop composition. Well, I'm not sure what that is. I'll just uncheck it anyway, see what that does. Let's see what we've done so far. Oh, so that's what it is. Enable transparent glass. Fade or slide menus into view. Fade or slide tooltips into view. Okay. Save taskbar thumbnail previews. That's let's see what that is. Well, yeah, that will just be because you won't be able to see the picture. I think that's what it has to do. Show shadows under mouse pointer. Let's try that. Yeah, it's not too drastic. Just show shadows under Windows. Try that. Wow, it's already bare looking. You don't have to uncheck these. They don't, but they slow you down your computer a little bit. Show thumbnails instead of icons. That's like if you have a dog in the picture, it will show a picture of a dog of that dog you have instead of the landscape. So I don't recommend that. Show translucent selection rectangle. That's this when you drag on the desktop. So let's try. That's what I think it is. Slide open combo boxes. Smooth edges of screen fonts. Let's see what it looks like without it. Okay, we'll just do that anyway. Smooth scrolling list boxes. Let's try minimizing. Maximizing. Whoa, it's pretty fast. Advanced. Okay. Now you're going to want to search for virtual. How to change the size of virtual memory. Okay. Let's see what this was again. Oh, advanced system settings. Okay. So how you get to this is this. Start. Computer. Properties. Advanced system settings. Okay. Wait, I don't like this not fading bar. Wait. So remote, if you had this checked. I recommend alarm mode connections, alarm connection from computer running any version of remote desktop. Well, be aware because that's only on the network unless you're port forwarded. I wouldn't recommend checking that. But if you have a port forwarded on the port where you're running remote desktop, or I don't know what port that is, you can just Google it. Don't check that. Otherwise, you might do something. Otherwise, you might get hackers. So okay, so we got that. By the way, this part of the tutorial is only working on Windows Vista 7, 8, 8.1, and 10, but I'll get into the XP part later. Let's see. What is it? Can't change sound effects now. Oh wait, yeah, performance. Cause I didn't like this. Let's see what it was. Whoops, not that. Um, Power options. I hope my recording's still going on. Oh wait, let's just check that. Yeah, I actually use Ubuntu, but I'm running Windows 7 in there, so what the heck is this? Okay, yeah, I'm fine, I'm fine. Just the appearance and performance. Animations in taskbar and start menu. Let's see, does it fix it? Okay, let's see what I don't need. Oh wait, I missed a spot. Use visual style. Let's see what that does. Oh, that's the Windows Classic. Let's see what I missed here. Smooth scroll. That's not it. Oh, so that's what it is. If I don't have that and that. Yeah. Who's messaging me on Skype? Oh, hold on 1 second. I'm recording. Okay, that was random. Oh, virtual memory. We're gonna change that. Okay, boom. Custom size. Initial size 0, maximum size 0. Set. I warn you, if you don't have enough, okay, if you don't have enough RAM, I'd recommend if you don't have enough RAM, I'd recommend changing it to something. Otherwise, I'd change 0, 200 for 250. Perfect. Okay, data execution. Okay, we got all that. Oh yeah, the virtual memory was right there. Wow. Okay, so now we're gonna restart and then get onto the Vista, XP part of this tutorial. Start, restart. We'll see how it goes. Huh. I can see my cursor, but I have it disabled on the screen recorder, so you might not be able to see it. I'm making it go in circles right now. What the heck? It was just randomly jumping to the center. Oh wow, it's jumping inside the guest. To me that looks like, wow. If I was showing my cursor, that would just be weird. Jeez, to the eye, it looks like there's like 20 cursors. Is it normal, like when you move your cursor around, you see like 10 arrows at once? Like if you move your cursor around fast, you know that cursor trail thing? Like even if you don't have it on, you see like 20 cursors when you're moving it around fast. Is that something about the eye, or is that actually your computer? Is that your monitor refresh rate? Okay, let's log back in. See how fast the computer went. Oh wait, you notice how there was no starting Windows? That's a no GUI boot thing. So after this, I'm gonna enable auto log on VMware. Okay, there we go. So basically, this is another thing you might want to do. This pretty sure should work with XP. Go into your control panel. What the heck? Search defrag. Yeah, that error, I don't know what that was. Maybe it's something I disabled in the system. So if you get those kind of things, all you gotta do is go back into, like, just watch the beginning of this tutorial. I showed you like how to disable these programs. Just re-enable something until you don't get the error. If you still get the error, just disable whatever you enabled. Like, try to find something that works for you, but don't go crazy disabling like everything. If you don't know what it is, and it doesn't say driver or anything, don't disable it. Actually, if you don't know what it is, or it doesn't say driver, or it does say driver, don't disable it. If it says something like if you know what that is, like if it says iTunes or Firefox or Advanced Browser or Google Chrome or Chromium or IceWeasel, something like you know what it is, like anything here, TeamViewer, Steam, Skype, QuickTime, Pigeon, iTunes, IMDb, Google Chrome, Audacity. That's just iPhone firmware, and a VLC. You can disable it. You can even disable Recycle Bin, but I doubt that's going to be listed. Unless you got some sort of virus or some crazy company naming their program after a trash can. How long? Oh wow. Yeah, it's the virtual machine. It's really, really, really slow. Okay, you got slow virtual machine. There's sort of a way to fix that. Let's do it. Okay, I'm not gonna click that. Enough of that. I was, well, yeah, let's go on to the Vista and 7 part. Enable. Let's Skype click to call. Okay, let's go on new tab. Okay, search up CCleaner. This is a free program, don't worry about it. Free download. This is probably the best program out there. Professional, Professional Plus, and free. Hold on. Yeah, sorry about that. That was a family member. How random. Okay, we're gonna save that to our downloads. Save. Yep, that's one of the reasons why I don't really make videos a lot, because every time I try to make a video, there's a fail where either someone talks to me, during the shooting and when they're not supposed to, and it starts an argument, or someone just straight up violates my space and just barges in the recording and starts messing everything up. Okay, so you can uncheck. You can check this if you want. You can check this. You can check this. This will speed up your computer. But first, we're just gonna check everything. Okay, boom. Yeah, environment, user agent, custom file. Okay, we're gonna check all that. That will make it way longer. First, we're gonna go to registry and scan for issues. Unused file extension. This is gonna speed up your registry a lot faster. Okay, here's some other programs to recommend. Malware Bytes. Search that up. Boom. And you get all this. It's like free antivirus. You can pay for it if you want. And yeah, if you pay for it, it actually gives you a lot of good stuff. Fix selected issues. Yes. Let's back up this changes. Documents. Back up the file. Fix all selected issues. Okay. Close. Okay, thanks. Okay, now you're gonna want to search up. Um, Now we're also gonna disable balloon tips. These are these little things, balloon tips. I'd recommend disabling that. Oh, that way you don't get those pop-up balloons in the middle of your game. So this is the file. Um, to enable balloon notification for all users, disable, save, run. Yes, yes. Okay, what we're gonna do is after this we're gonna run another clean, and then we're gonna try and then we're gonna try after this we're gonna reboot. But I'm also gonna but I'm also gonna okay, that was easy, fast. Also gonna up the RAM, so instead of rebooting, let's just shut it down right there. Never show. Wait. Let's go out of full screen mode and then power off. Then I'm just gonna optimize the hardware a bit. So I'll let you know when that's done. Okay, we're back. So I'm starting it up now. Yeah. See what I mean? Like you can't tell whether the computer's frozen or not with a no GUI boot because the whole screen's black. But if you're using Vista, it's gonna show a secret aura thing. Like I'm pretty sure it's an aura picture. If you're on Windows 8, it's gonna show just the logo. It's gonna show the logo, but without the spinning dots. So you might want to be aware if you do this, because on Windows 7 you won't be able to tell if, or Vista, and even 8, you won't be able to tell if your computer is frozen or not. I'm pretty sure they even warned you about that. Okay, but the only way you can tell if it's frozen is by waiting a while, and then yeah, when you see if you see the cursor, you know you're good. Okay. Wow, I powered it off and it fit the resolution, but I didn't expect it to fit the resolution in the login screen. It's just strange. It's loading. Okay. Oh, let's see that. Okay, fixed. Now we'll see what we have done. Also, I forgot to mention, maybe I did, maybe I didn't. If you really want to speed up your computer, try getting a solid state drive. They cost a lot of money, but the price is well worth it. As long as like you check how much space you have in your computer. Mine says around 999 gigabytes legit. Oh wait, yeah, that's just a virtual hard drive. Um, but I'm actually using it from an external drive, so that's why it might be slow. Because I'm not booting it from the actual hard drive on my computer, because this is more than my computer's hard drive is. Mine is only like 1 terabyte. Not to exactly, but VMware actually makes it a little bit more than 1 terabyte, even though you put 1 terabyte, which is strange. Or maybe it's because I put like 1024, 1000. I don't really remember. Oh wow, you must restart your computer. Let's restart again. I don't even know how that happened. Oh wait, it's the power off and power back on. So yeah, this is how you speed up your computer. Geez, that shutdown time though. Wow, so long, taking forever. That soda can, wow. Can't believe it's still sitting there on my desk like no one even takes out the trash. In fact, speaking of soda, I'm gonna go get a soda while my video buffers or while I record. I'm back. Let me see. Am I even recording anymore? Yeah, I'm still recording. So random. Try my password again. Well, my cursor is visible on my screen, so let me fix that. So, um, now we've got all this. Also, let me show you a little bit more about CCleaner. Okay, you can also do tools. You can also like disable stuff from here. Can't believe I haven't shown. I also forgot to mention that you can also disable startup configuration of here. This is the best program out there. Cookies. Twitter.com. Okay, let's do this. We forgot to type this. Facebook. Okay, I've obviously recommend doing this. Facebook.com. Oh, wait a minute. How am I supposed to add here? Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, they don't have support for that, I think. Oh yeah, also, if you're gonna if you're gonna like um if you have this Windows is not genuine error right here, I want to mention that, and your background is all blacked out, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. I have this file. It's in my C. I'm gonna upload it. Yeah, by the way, it's a false positive. So if you have that, just run this file and you should be good to go. The heck? Windows. It's in my system file somewhere. Setup, scripts. Boom, there it is. If you have this, Windows is not genuine. So yeah, um, that's about it for this video.